Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. Today I'm going to show you how to edit any videos from your smartphone with using KineMaster software. So just go to Google Play Store and download the app named KineMaster, KineMaster, as you can see here. Download this and install this and just open this app. I installed it before, so I just open the app and now click on the red plus button here. It's very simple and very easy. Now add your video from the option media. Now select your video. I just select this video. Okay, no need to worry. You can, if you click on the video on your video, you can find clip graphics, speed control, remote retort or mirror, color filter, color adjustment, volume, audio filter, vintage, and many other. And in the right you can find delayed option and other. If I want to cut this video from here, I just click on simply cut team to right of playground. I just play it, click on here. As you can see, it's getting smaller. If you want to add any audio in this video, on your video, you can just simply click on audio option and you can add your audio from here. It's very easy, and just simply back on. And if you want to add voice on your video, just click on voice and start recording your video from here. Just click on start and it will be start voice on your video. And if you want to add any text or effects on your video, just click on layer and select on text. I just simply text at my Sean and click on just OK. And you can use the text as a graphical interface like imitate like this. And after finishing your editing, just click on the share option in the left and set your video quality. I just setting it at full HD and 1080p into 30 and click on export. It works very fast on your smartphone, so don't worry. Okay, your video editing is finished. Now you can find this video on your gallery or video MX player or any other video player. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?